Welcome in my car. Yesterday I crashed the screen on my radio, and today I received a lower panel that comes with it, because in mine lowering temperature doesn't work. Although this one is also a bit dirty, and it's not bad, but it's dirty, and few buttons are so badly sticked inside with some sugary thing that I was thinking that I will have to open it and just clean it before I'm gonna install it. I'm still not sure. Alright, should I? Yeah, already horrible here. Mix them. They inside, but how? I wouldn't like to break it. I don't think that it looks like you have to move it to the side, the whole. Ooh, like that. You see? I'm just gonna clean what I need. I could actually leave my panel and just replace the insides. Right, let's do it like that. That mat, we'll see if I can just Alright, just put the just snap off like that. But quite easy. But what I'm gonna need, I'm gonna use a small one. 11. Driver has an extension that goes into that goes into that. You can now it's a 10er bolt, so it's better to hold them. We have some connectors at the back. One, 3, 4, 5. I assume. All right, we have the unit. And to remove those 4 screws, those 4. right one. Sure. So that's the technically a bad one. About the buttons. Yeah, I did clean them for nothing then. Try it first before anything. Alright, it works fine. 5 past